So we are now in website. Before that we have to install e-commerce. We have to just activate it. This is an unpublished published one. So this is my e-commerce website. Now for adding content, click on the edit button. So the bar will activate. So we can just drag them and paste here. We can select this. Like that we can create our website, e-commerce website, or we can add images by dragging and dropping them. Themes, we can add themes here, and we can just save it. So now the page is set. We can see that we can also add a new thing, a new page or new product like that.